When I started bartending, like every bartender, I had to learn a lot of cocktails. One of those was the Bahama Mama. I studied long and hard to learn these cocktails, but it didn't take long for the Bahama Mama recipe to get ingrained in my head. I started smashing them out behind my bar every night and the customers loved them. I was the king of the Bahama Mamas, but I was making them all wrong. I didn't know it at the time, but it's a tiki style cocktail, and with a lot of Bahama Mama recipes, mine looked a lot like this. It was only years later that I found out my Bahama Mama days were all a lie. And it's only recently I'm finding out that I was missing some key ingredients to this cocktail that change it completely. It starts with rum. I love rum, and the rum for your Bahama Mama recipes are very important to get that deep flavor your Bahama Mamas need. Start with at least 2 rums. Well, 2 is the standard, but today I'm using 3 different rums. First, a dark Jamaican rum to bring that molasses flavor to your Bahama Mama. The second rum is an overproof rum, and that's what's gonna give this cocktail its kick. Any good tiki style cocktail has a nice rum kick to it. That being said, this isn't the strongest tiki cocktail out there, but we're still not finished. My third rum is Union 55. Now this is organic coconut rum, which has a slightly salty taste, which brings this mineral flavor, this subtle mineral flavor to the cocktail. Next, pineapple juice and lime juice. They work well together. They are a match made in heaven. Don't break them up. Use them, caress them, bring them together in a harmony of awesomeness that will tie together the rest of the ingredients. Now on to the 2 most important ingredients that often get missed on Bahama Mama recipes. Coconut rum liqueur. This is not a rum, this is a liqueur made with rum. It delivers sweetness and that coconut flavor which complements the love triangle between pineapple and lime juice. Coffee liqueur. That's right, you heard me correctly. Coffee liqueur. This is what is gonna set your Bahama Mama recipes off to another level. Wait until you try it. So Grenadine isn't entirely necessary, but we find it on those punch Bahama Mama recipes quite a lot. I'm bringing it into this one because I like the sweetness and because I went to the trouble of making this myself. So if you want to know how I made this, then leave me a comment in the comments box below and I'll get to making that video soon. So what do you end up with? A sexy looking cocktail with a complex mix of flavors that dance off your tongue like a ballerina floating around the stage. This is a Bahama Mama recipe your regulars will talk about. They will tell their friends and family. They will sing it from the rooftops. You'll become the new Bahama Mama king or queen. Legends will be made and books will be written. So take your Bahama Mamas from this to this. And be safe in the knowledge that you are making the best Bahama Mama recipe that you can make. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed that video, check out last week's video, which is on the June bug, where I'm showing you how to make the cocktail version and the mocktail version. And there's many more videos on my channel that you can check out. But once again, thank you so much to each and every one of you. I appreciate you a lot. Till next week, I'll see you then.